Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon, since it's 1:07. We just woke up about an hour ago. Like an hour ago. And we're hungry, and since it's lunchtime, I'm gonna make some hamburger helper. Yeah, beef pasta. Hamburger helper. So it should be good. So, yep. Watching Trevor play video games. It's very boring.
Yeah.
He's addicted. He's playing Dark Souls 2. Tobi. And he won. Now he has to get off. And here is Tobi. You can't really see him. But oh well. So, here's the finished product. It's all done. Only took about 15 minutes to do. So, yep. So tomorrow, my little brother is starting his freshman year of high school, and he's going to a performing arts school. I went there my freshman year, too, and they don't have a cafeteria at all, because it's a charter school. So we bought him a bunch of snacks for his lunches, like all these gummies and stuff, and fruit, and we got him his favorite circus animal cookies and Jell-O. Don't know if you can see because it's kind of dark, but yeah. Then we have like a freaking, sorry it's a mess, but this is our pantry, and we have like huge bags of stuff that we were stocked up. And for Tobi, we have these. We buy them from Costco, and he loves them. And yeah, we have lots and lots of storage of food. All our baking stuff. I'll probably do a video of me baking soon. Our condiments. Trevor's favorite Nesquik chocolate. A lot of seasonings. Big thing of Frank's Red Hot Sauce. And then we have Jamba chai tea. Oh, it's so amazing. If you love chai tea like me, I would recommend getting this. It's really good. I'm gonna buy Costco mayo because it's like way better than regular mayonnaise. And yeah, so we just have a lot of stuff. Storage. We have like these huge racks that everything's on. And so, yeah.
So Sebastian starts high school tomorrow. He's excited. Kind of sad. My baby, his first day of high school. So in 4 years, I won't have any in the lower grades. They'll all be off in college in a few years. It's hard to believe that my kids are getting so old. But I hope you guys all have a good night. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.